So this is the dress which I'll be converting into a cord set. It's a straight A-line dress with the elastic in the middle. So let's start making it. The very first step is to mark the length of the top which you need. Mine is around 20.5 inch. I'm actually marking it from below the elastic, so it's coming 5 inches. But the total length from the shoulder is 20.5 inch. Mark it and cut it. So that's how the top looks. The last step is to hem it from the down and your top is ready to use. Now let's make the bottom part. For this, what you have to do is you have to use the rest of the fabric. So what I'll be doing is, this is of both the sides, the front and the back. I'll be cutting it into two halves. You can also use a seam ripper to open up the stitching. This is the first part, I mean the front side. So what I'll be doing is I'll be folding it into half and then attaching pins so that the fabric doesn't move. After this, what I am doing is I am using my jeans, high-waisted jeans. You can also use a trouser and mark accordingly. Make sure that the trouser which you are using, its back crotch is out. Yes, and now the front one is inside and the back crotch is out. Once the marking is done, what you have to do is you have to extend it by 2 inches. Jeans which I have taken, it's a well fitted jeans and I want to make a plazo from this. So that's why I'm extending it. Now take the second part of the fabric and cut it like the same way we did the first one. So right now we are having two pieces. First one is of the front and the second one is of the back. Place it upside down, like the front side of both the fabric should be facing to each other. Now stitch the crotch area, only the crotch area. Once it's done, open it like this. So the crotch area is stitched. Yes, and that's how it looks. Now what we have to do is we have to stitch both the sides of the legs together. The plazo is almost ready. Now let's make belt for the plazo. Use any old fabric and fold it 4 times. Now measure the length of the belt you need. I am taking 5 inches and half inch for seam allowance. So it's 5.5 inch. Measure it and cut it. Now take the right side of the fabric and place the belt as shown and stitch it. Once it's stitched, what you have to do is you have to fold it inwards, yes, onto the wrong side and stitch it again. You can also add elastic once it's done, but make sure that the elastic which you are using, it's 3 to 4 inch less than your waist. Mine is around 32, so I'll be using around 27 to 28. You can also add hook if you want. I'm using hook instead of elastic. So here is the final look. I hope you like it. Please like, share and comment. Thank you so much for watching.